Marketing sets customers' expectations. Expectations drive how customers feel about your brand, and those feelings lead to referrals and repeat business or not. To improve our customers' experience, we need to do a better job of setting expectations and delivering on them. Makes sense, but how do you do it? Hi, I'm Jeannie Walters, and I'm excited to present this Marketing Profs Masterclass, Customer Journey Maps for Marketers. Understand, deliver, and exceed expectations. I will show you step-by-step how to visualize your customer experience through the powerful technique of customer journey mapping. By the end, you'll know how to use this tool to uncover opportunities to improve engagement, loyalty, and retention. We have watch parties scheduled twice a week through March. I'll be there live. Bring your questions and we'll talk about them. Or if you prefer, you can view the whole program on demand. Either way, I hope you'll join us.